That's what I looked like before. Then, by the time I had my third child, this is the picture I took 2 days before my procedure. What do you think?
Oh, wow.
Don't I look more like the guy when he was getting engaged than I do like this guy? Right? I mean, I look at that and it makes me sad. You know, I look back, but that's what I look like. I knew some people when I was younger, back in the day, who had gotten hair restoration, and I didn't like the way it looked. The plugs looked terrible. The last thing I wanted to do was change something that always shows my face, my head, and have it look bad. That was a non-starter for me. So I did a lot of research and I waited. I waited for the right technique. The restoration procedure with Artas is a difference maker for me. It changed my whole approach to the idea of hair restoration. Without it, I would never have done this. When you go to someone like Dr. Shafu, you realize immediately you're in the hands of an expert. He's triple board certified. I'm a physician, I am board certified. I know what it means to have gone through the process to be triple board certified. You want to know that you have the hands and the brain of someone who knows what to do in any situation. The procedure day was interesting. I was nervous, but everybody here in the center put me at ease right away. The Artas machine was comfortable. They numbed me before the procedure started. I watched TV, I napped a little bit. That's how comfortable I was. Don't be afraid of the procedure. It is really not a big deal in the hands of specialists that know what they're doing. I now look in the mirror and I see reflected back at me how I feel. And that is just a gift that I can't even put words to have that feeling again, to have my image match what I feel inside.